The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will be the next big flagship level device from Samsung, which brings some amazing specs. Yesterday we have seen the first look of the Galaxy S23 series in the form of a dummy units, which confirms the design of the upcoming S23 series. One of the most important visual changes that you could see on the S23 and S23 Plus will be their camera sensor that are going to be different than the last year, and instead of having a camera bump on the back side, we have a separate camera lenses on the back of the S23 and S23 Plus, which are going to be in line with the Galaxy S23 Ultra and making them a series completely similar in terms of the camera design. Now, another thing which I really love about the S23 Ultra based on these dummy units is its flat display, which is amazing if it is going to be true. In my opinion, flat displays are more convenient to use and there are less accidental touches. Flat display also enhance the durability of the display if it's going to be fall, because the curved display will bring some of the damages to the device, and having a flat display will be even bringing more durability to the device. Looking at these dummy images that has been leaked, and there are some confirmation that we might actually going to see a flatter display as well, which is pretty amazing. And further, the S23 Ultra will be having a new design if we have the flat display. Now, another advantage of the flat display is the using of the S Pen is going to be much more convenient than the curved display. So definitely, I'm really hope that Samsung will be bringing the flat display to its S23 Ultra device. Now let's move towards the back side. Here we have same number of camera sensor as we have seen with the S22 Ultra. The difference you will find on the S23 Ultra camera sensor is that it will be having a larger camera sensor than the S22 Ultra, which will let more light and give you even better quality in images and videos. So definitely it's going to be a big upgrade for the S23 Ultra. Not only that, we are also going to be seeing a less camera bump on the S23 Ultra, which is nice. Although we do have a larger 200 megapixel camera sensor, still the size of the camera sensor on the back side is going to be less. The thing which I noticed that the reason behind the camera sensor is lower is because the body is going to be a little thicker than the S22 Ultra, which in result hides the thickness of camera. Next, if we compare the S Pen stylus for the S22 Ultra with the S23 Ultra, it seems we do have slightly larger S Pen in the S23 Ultra. Whether it's true or not, we have to wait and see until the official launch. This year, one of the biggest jump which Samsung is making is in the battery department. Here we have some improvement as well. Like there are certain features that are bringing the performance boost in terms of the battery. Like the display, which is consuming more power in any smartphone. It's going to be 45% more power efficient. Plus we have a new fingerprint sensor which also consume less power. And we also have one of the important thing, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which is also bringing 45% more power efficiency both in the CPU and in the GPU department than its predecessor. So definitely combining all them will bring the battery life to be even better than the last year S22 Ultra. And you guys, the Unpacked event will be happening in February next year in San Francisco. And this is going to be for the first time we've seen an in-person event since from 2019 COVID impact. So definitely it's going to be a good thing to have. And you guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Are you excited about the flat display? Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.